Hello everyone! It's been about a year. I think I posted the first video in July of 2021. Things got really busy, post-pandemic, doing some traveling and stuff like that. So here we are. We're back, basically in the same spot. I have my old school Sunfish here that I'm trying to fix up. And I've gotten a lot of advice. So the first thing that I did do is I went ahead and I took off all of the metal trim from the outside here. This is something I already knew I wanted to do because I want to seal this back up, clean it off a bit. I've been trying to decide if I want to get new trim and then just seal it on. I've heard that there's been good results for that. Or if I want to go ahead and rivet this back on, the old pieces, because they already have the holes in place. With some sealant underneath. So still trying to make some decisions there. On one hand, using the old trimming would be really nice because then I don't have to worry about bending stuff and drilling more holes, or if I'm not drilling holes, sealing it. Mostly the bending I'm worried about. So we might end up with just trying to polish off this old trim. It's got some pretty gnarly gouges, but then putting it back on with some sealant. So we might go that route. I don't know yet. The other thing that I was contemplating doing was splitting the hull in half, taking the top part off from the bottom. And I had a lot of advice thrown my way about that. Mostly that it's not a great idea with some of these older boats. You know, if you have it apart for too long, they can deform and they won't fit back together anymore. And I would hate to ruin this beautiful boat. So we're not going to do that. Instead, we're going to start off with a bubble test to see where some of my leaks are. I've never done this before, so it's going to be interesting. But I think that'll help me identify some key areas where there might be some leakage. And then if we can't do that, or if I think I need a better look around, I might look into installing a viewport hole in the back that you see common with these old sailboats. That would also allow me easy access for later on if I decide to replace the rudder or not. So we will cross that bridge when we come to it. So yeah, I guess let's get started. But there is, oh, maybe we just do it there. They have a vent hole. That's what the guy was talking about. I wondered what that hole was for. And he was claiming it was for venting. And so that's what he used with the vacuum. But then the other guy used the air compressor in that hole. So let's try the vent hole first, I guess. I'm going to spray some spots. And we're gonna see if it bubbles. I feel like there's gonna be a lot in there. I wonder if it's going to be that way all the way around the outside. Oh, is there some there too? Okay. Some around this too. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can feel the air coming out of this one.
Cool. I think the biggest spots are here. This one's insane. Oh yeah, you can see the split even. And up here. That one seems... might have a little bit of leaking there, I can't tell. Okay. That's surprising. Okay. Oh. Here, will you take it off first? Okay. Oh, that looks fine too. Okay. This one's massive. Cool. Okay, it leaked in a lot weirder spots than I was expecting. Like, I for sure figured like that guy and back there would be pretty bad in the baler, but I think this split is the biggest part. And honestly, the rest of the seal around the outside didn't leak like at all. So the biggest pieces are here. And here. And I think there's a little bit around here.
What?
I think I tried to seal this before too. Little rivets.